much for tuning in to Crazy Turtle today as we go through making vanilla mascarpone filling. This is a filling that I really love to use in any kind of roll cake. And there's many variations, which I'll get to later. But if we just get the base set, it is such a delightful filling in a cake, but also I'll admit I eat it off the spoon. So I have a cup of heavy cream right here. And I'm just going to put a tablespoon of granulated sugar, and I'm just going to be whipping this till it is stiff. So our cream definitely has peaks and it has whipped up stiffly. I am going to add just a teaspoon of vanilla. And gently mix that in as well. So as you can see, we have our whipped cream so nicely stiffened. And in this bowl, I have my container of mascarpone. It's room temperature, and I've mixed in a tablespoon also of granulated sugar. Now this, we are just going to be gentle. We don't want to over whip it because mascarpone can become grainy. So I am just going to stir that in or whisk that in. And I truly love this filling. A lot of cakes will call for a cream cheese, and nothing wrong with cream cheese. I just feel like sometimes it's a little tart, maybe even a little heavy. And when you have a rich cake, it's sometimes a little bit too much, but the mascarpone is such a light and gentle flavor. I think it just is a perfect addition to making roll cakes, such as a pumpkin roll or a chocolate roll cake, kind of like what you do for a bûche de Noël or a Yule log cake. And this base recipe is fantastic just because there's so many things that you can do with it. You could, instead of using the vanilla, you could use, let's see, almond extract or a flavored extract. I kind of think maybe even a peppermint might be nice. And then you put a little bit of crushed peppermint in here. Put that with a chocolate cake for the holidays. It's lovely for, I'm going to add some zest to it for some different cakes, maybe some lemon zest or orange zest. So ideas are endless, and look at this. It's so smooth and it's so light and not, again, such a thick, rich filling, but just light and perfect. So thanks so much for tuning in to Crazy Turtle. This is super simple. I hope you give it a try and use it on whatever your creativity comes up with. Take care.